Hey everyone, and welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that I know many of you struggle with. Common dieting mistakes that could be sabotaging your progress. We all make mistakes, but the key is to learn from them and make positive changes. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing 7 common pitfalls that might be hindering your weight loss journey. We'll uncover the reasons behind these mistakes and provide you with effective solutions to get back on track. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips on body make and health management. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's break down these dieting mistakes together. Chapter 1. Skipping meals for faster weight loss. Think again. Let's address a common misconception: skipping meals, especially breakfast, to lose weight faster. While it might seem logical to reduce calorie intake this way, it can actually backfire. When you skip meals, your metabolism slows down to conserve energy. This means you burn fewer calories throughout the day. Moreover, skipping meals often leads to intense cravings and overeating later on. Imagine this: you skip breakfast and by lunchtime you're absolutely famished. You're more likely to overeat or make unhealthy choices due to intense hunger. Instead of skipping meals, prioritize portion control and aim for balanced meals throughout the day. This approach provides your body with a steady stream of energy, preventing those drastic blood sugar spikes and dips that can trigger cravings. Remember, a sustainable approach to weight loss involves nourishing your body, not depriving it. Chapter 2. Don't be fooled by low-fat or diet foods. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that low-fat or diet foods are automatically healthy. Many of these products are loaded with hidden sugars and unhealthy additives. For instance, low-fat yogurt often contains a high amount of sugar. This can lead to sugar crashes and cravings. Always read nutrition labels carefully. Don't be swayed by marketing claims. Pay attention to sugar content and ingredients. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are naturally lower in calories and sugar. Chapter 3. Fuel your muscles, curb cravings. Protein plays a crucial role in fat loss, muscle maintenance, and keeping those hunger pangs at bay. If you're not consuming enough protein, you'll likely experience increased hunger and end up losing muscle mass instead of fat, which is counterproductive to your goals. Let's illustrate this with an example. You have a bowl of cereal for breakfast and a light salad for lunch. While these options might seem healthy, they lack sufficient protein. As a result, you're hit with intense cravings by mid-afternoon and end up snacking on chips or other processed foods. To avoid this scenario, make sure to include a good source of protein in every meal. Think lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, Greek yogurt, legumes, or nuts. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and provides the building blocks your body needs to maintain and build lean muscle mass. Chapter 4. Watch out for what you drink. You might be meticulous about your food choices, but don't underestimate the impact of your beverages on your weight loss journey. Sugary drinks, sodas, and fancy coffee drinks can sabotage your hard work with hidden calories and sugar. A large frappuccino can contain over 400 calories, almost a full meal. These liquid calories add up quickly and contribute to weight gain. The solution is simple: make water your primary beverage. Water is calorie-free and essential for hydration and health. Infuse your water with lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries for flavor. Unsweetened herbal teas are another excellent option. For coffee, stick to black or add unsweetened almond milk. Chapter 5. The power of water for weight loss. Chapter 5. Stay hydrated, the power of water for weight loss. We've talked about avoiding sugary drinks, but equally important is ensuring you're adequately hydrated. Water is absolutely essential for countless bodily functions, including fat burning, digestion, nutrient absorption, and maintaining energy levels. When you don't drink enough water, your metabolism can slow down, making it harder to shed those extra pounds. Moreover, dehydration often masquerades as hunger, leading you to eat more when your body is actually craving fluids. Have you ever felt hungry, had a glass of water, and realized the hunger pangs subsided? That's your body signaling its need for hydration. Aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, and make it a habit to have a glass of water before meals. This simple practice can help control your appetite, prevent overeating, and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Chapter 6. Sleep Well, Lose Weight, The Surprising Connection. Sleep plays a significant role in weight management. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones, increasing cravings, and fat storage. Late nights on your phone or working can affect sleep. Sleep deprivation raises cortisol, boosting appetite for sugary foods. It also impacts leptin and ghrelin, hormones that control hunger. This makes it harder to make healthy food choices. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoid screens before bed. Chapter 7. Be patient. Sustainable weight loss takes time. In a world of instant gratification, it's easy to expect quick results for weight loss. Sustainable weight loss is gradual, requiring patience, consistency, and healthy habits. Avoid restrictive diets or extreme workouts. They often lead to burnout. Real progress takes time. Focus on building maintainable healthy habits. Celebrate small victories and healthier choices. Incorporate more movement into your routine. Setbacks are normal. Stay positive and consistent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored these common dieting mistakes that might be hindering your progress. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding these pitfalls, you can make informed choices that support your weight loss journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.